is no secret that the modernization of our world causes a lot of pollution to this planet: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. But there is one type of pollution which nobody is aware of. It's the pollution of sound. What is noise? One of many sounds, especially ones that are loud, unpleasant, or that causes disturbance. The thing is that we not only become addicted to noise, but that we also try to avoid silence. We try to escape the silence because we aren't used to it. The point is that the world in which we live become more and more noisy. And to sum it up, sound pollution has a very harmful impact on our lives on this planet. And we could all receive huge benefit if we just had some more silence in our lives. It is important to point out that silence is not the absence of sound, but absence of noise. And while we get lost in a noise, we find ourselves in a silence.